Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Racers, except for cows.
Guys, I'm still right here.
Team Dynaco.
Whoa! Scooby has some really pretty balloons.
Great idea, Doc. Now the road will never get done.
Luigi?
Right now! And if I were you, I'd quit yapping and start working. Hook 'em up later.
Okay.
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Guido!
The 60s weren't good to you, were they?
Back, you oil-thirsty parasite! And actually, this is my good side here.
Thank you for your support and your big mistake, McQueen. In the savannah.
Hi, guys. My name is Gani. Hello, Gani.
Mater, let's go! You're on! Jamming now, man!
A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
young man. You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Sure.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
That I switched out that rot good excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural.
McQueen and Sally, park beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
¡Hay que ir recto! ¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Aha, back it up.
Thanks, guys. Guys, hey.
Hey! What? What's going on? That's what I got.
Just blamed it on me.
Electric cars don't use oil, you twit.
Then you're faking it.
Hey! Act civilized. We...
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Don't see that every day, huh, Chug?
Yep, Dusty. An engine that powerful only takes the... This guy.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Did I forget to mention that it can only be disarmed by the one who activated it?
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very
That was the deal. You are not a nice guy. Well, seriously, I gotta say, you do make the